So hello and welcome back guys. So it's been 3 months since this this channel thing started, and although I kind of took a break of 2 weeks in middle, but we are here. And guys, just like last time, guess what? We got one subscriber on each day. As you can see, it is 29, so we have one extra subscriber. And I also found out one more thing. Let me show you my channel real quick. Well, what is my channel ID? I don't really know. I guess this is my ID. Just wait a second, I will show you something. Last time I uploaded the 3 month video on 4th November, I think, but my channel was created on 28th September, but I'm still one day late while recording, and probably I will upload it on 30 or 31 or maybe 1, who knows. But anyways guys, now I don't have any content, so I'm gonna click on this content thing. I clicked on playlist too, but anyways, and let's talk about some content. So first of all, I uploaded this video. It got cool views, and this video dude, this Discord labeling thing, this thing is, I don't know man, it have 144 likes and 1923 views, but somehow just 3 4 comments. But dude, this is insane man, how the heck you guys did that? And 32-hour watch time, it is like 30% of watch time of my channel. But anyways guys, the things went pretty well, except for JavaScript series. This series just have like 15 average views, but the Discord bot series is doing fine. Normally I get like 40 50 views, sometime 90, and sometime 100, and few exceptions have like 2000. Also guys, the ticket system also got quite a lot of views, and so did the old ticket system. It have also almost 2000. So I know what I have to make now. I literally have to not teach you cool stuff like this MongoDB, but I have to teach you simple stuff like XP system. So I guess I will do that, but I will implement that cool stuff in the XP system so that you can learn along. Instead of just copy pasting the shit, you can learn. But anyways, I don't really know how to make this video longer than 2 minutes. So now let's talk about something. What should we talk about? Well, just like last time. What was this like last time? Well, now we have over 5,000 unique viewer in our last month, but last time it was just 1,000. And anyways, the average view duration is a bit less than last time, I guess. I don't know. And the audience, I don't know, man. Well, lots of analytical stuff. I don't know. Let's check out this. We have 7K unique viewer in our last 3 months, and we have few, I don't know man, well, a lot of shit is happening. And just like last time, thank you, and I hope I'll be able to make a video, one for 12 months, then for 69 months, and so on. So I guess till then, thanks, and let me check out the, all right, it is just 3 minutes. I think we should do something else. What can we do? Let's brag about the playlist. We have one with 17 videos, and yeah, I need to make this playlist. I want to make video on TypeScript, but I don't know what should I teach you in TypeScript. Like I told you about, well, I told you about types and how to like basically start the TypeScript thing. But what else should I tell? Can you please tell me? And of course, that video have got almost like no views. Well, where is it? There it is. It have like 30 or 20 views. Dude, I clicked on the damn video. Why? Alright, it have 28 views. So I don't really know what should I do. Please suggest me. Should I directly start a series on Discord bot with TypeScript, or continue this series a bit longer? And I think the basic of Node.js series is kind of a waste. I shouldn't have did that, or maybe I should have included it in the JavaScript thing, but who cares? And of course, I want to continue the Mongo series. I don't know what to teach you. Maybe I will teach you about $GT thingy and stuff like that. Maybe, well, I don't know. But I guess, uh, let's see about comments. Oh, well, there is a comment to which I never replied. So let's do this. And now we have no comment to which I never responded. Well, isn't this pretty good that I respond to each and every damn comment? Well, it is probably because most of the time videos don't even get a comment, but who cares? And I guess, yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope I'll be able to make some video. And please, I dare you to give me some suggestions. Otherwise, I will need to take a break once more, man, because I don't really know what to upload. I don't know, man. Well, like, yeah, let's go. Bye.